welcome to Dino Dragon Games. Today we're going to finish up the rest of that life system by making the life counter. But first of all, what I'm doing here is recreating the the same life system, but in a function, in a separate function that is not in the player. So kind of like in a function library. So here am I making the function, and the next thing I'm going to do is, just recreating the function by casting it to the game instance, and just simply recreating it, and just recreating that function. So we'll do that. I should have speeded it up a little bit faster, but we will be in it. So yeah, now what I'm doing is just adding a do once, so it won't minus again if something flips things twice, and I don't want to lose 2 lives in 1 life. So I was putting a do once there, and now I just put in if it's equals to 0, and if it is equal to 0, I'm just going to open the level and just going to copy paste the name of the level into the name, and then if it's false, then I'm going to just get current level and then open it. So whatever level on, just reset it. There we go. That's simply how to do that. And I just gonna take all of that logic and delete it, and just get the name of the function and just get live. And I'm gonna rename it to something different. But what I'm creating here is now the function to gain life. Getting another life. So basically it's doing the same game instance thing, and I get the lives, and then just +1, and now here me just getting the extra life blueprint, and here we go. I'm just going to create a cube, and I'm going to grab the same material as the player, and I'm just going to resize it, and I'm going to add a bunch of different stuff. Okay, so now I just added the logic just to see if this is the player pawn, and here are me just renaming the function name, so actual life, and then simply doing that. Alright, so now I'm placing it in the level, and I'm now going to test it out. Sweet. Alright, so here B just added a couple up. Now I have 4 lives, now I have 3 lives, so if I do 2 more times, I should, yeah. Okay, so I messed that up. Alright. Good. Alright, so that's all 4. And now it's just kind of adjusting the size of everything just to make it look good, and just gonna add destroy there. And then now it's kind of testing it to see if it looks good, but I will change it that particular life pickup a little bit better, make it more interesting. I just want to make it big because it seems quite small, so I'm trying to figure out what's the appropriate size for it. Alright. what I'm doing here. Oh yeah, it's just adding the camera fade. So making another function is just the camera fade. And here's me. Basically, another one of the things is, it's no scooter, but here's me trying to make the icon for the live. So I just took a screenshot and I tried to figure it out. I didn't know exactly what to do because I didn't know how to remove the background. But in a little bit, I'm going to. I have watched a tutorial, so I'll show you how to figure it out. Alright, so that's the thing. I didn't knew how to do this, so me failing. There was several minutes of me just kind of figuring it out on my own, but then I found out a tutorial. That took me some time, but yeah. Alright. Here with me finally figured out the tutorial, so what I'm doing is taking kind of like a knife tool, just kind of making sure that I'm tracing a select around the thing, making sure that I have it, and also I zoom in every once in a while to make sure I am kind of pixel perfect of where am I at. So this will be doing. Alright. Now I am, so I got that, and now I just using this to kind of crop it out. Using the photo and just kind of cropping out the image. And that would be the live icon. So that would be simple. This is real simple stuff here. This is how I figured it out. Alright, so we got 7 minutes in, so let's see. Yeah, just cropping it out, and that's all I'm doing. Maybe I spent too long in this clip, but that's fine. Alright. There. And now I'm making the actual part of the widget, and I'm just going to grab a horizontal box, and I also grab an image, and I was trying to figure out like why is that. So I got my image to place in, and trying to figure it out like why is it not working. So this took a little bit longer. Eventually, I figured out that I just need to do some realignment. I've got to do that, but I figured it out. Let's see what I do. I put the alignment. I just changed up the alignment on the side, so now it's there like that. And now I put the text, and I'm going to call it live equal. And I have another text, and this is going to be the text that will display the actual number of lives. So here's me creating a variable called owner, but after creating, but I've later figured out I just need to cast it. But getting an object reference as a variable is something so I don't have to cast things all the time. So as I can tell that it's equal to 0. Of course, that's not correct. So I did figure it out that all I need to do is cast it. That's all I need to do. Alright, so here's me cast it after I fixed it. So now we have the display of lives. So 3, now at 2. And here, and after 2, and I now got 1. And and I pick up a live, it goes back to 2, now back to 1 again. And now at 0 lives. Hey, you still watching? Good. This is the end of the video. Just wanted to say,
like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Also, give you a like or dislike so I know exactly what I'm if I'm doing good or not. Also, make sure to comment down below. Tell me what you think, so I'd like to know. Anyways, this is Dino Dragon. See you later.